Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a video with WeVideo. And yesterday I recorded a video as a screen capture where I'm talking, and then I'm going to be showing some things on the screen, kind of like what I'm doing right now. So let me go ahead and switch over here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so what you'll want to take note of is, so this bottom track right here, this is the screen that I captured. And this one up here is the webcam, kind of like I'm recording right now. I'm speaking to the camera. So this bottom track, it has no audio level associated with it. It's just recording the screen. This one up here has, and you'll kind of notice up here where it's switching between the screen. You can see that it's highlighted up here. And then if I switch to the video, that's highlighted up here as well. And you can kind of adjust the size, the location. But the important thing about knowing this one does not have any audio. This one does. And if you come up here a little bit, there's these three buttons. I can come over to audio and capacity, show audio level, and you can slide this around and almost kind of zoom in here a little bit to really get some, which is over here in the upper right of this track. And you can slide along here and like right here, I would know that that's where my audio is starting. And you can also use the left and right arrows to kind of get some fine tuning. And you want to make sure that, see, like right here, I'm literally like mouth open, getting ready to say something. I wouldn't want to use that as my starting point. So I would probably back up slightly more and probably even a couple more spots. Just use the left arrow. And that's what we do there. So that'll kind of give us the main screen. That'll give us the webcam image. And then what we'll do, what they have is called B-roll. WeVideo has tons of different images and background videos that you can use. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to add another video track. And let's just say that we're going to, so this bear walking across here, let's say that I want to use that to superimpose over top of my video. So I'm just going to drag that down here, and you can do a couple things. If I just want to shorten it, I can drag it and it'll shorten it. If I want to use the whole video but speed it up, I can come in here and I can crop, I can scale it, make it bigger, smaller. I can come down to the speed and I can make it go faster. If I click faster, you'll see that it shows the new clip length is 5 seconds. If I go a little faster, it's now 320 seconds. So let's see what that looks like. Just to try it, I'm going to come in here. Okay, so there you have it. The bear is walking really quickly. It did it in 3 seconds. And once you have your B-roll added and you can kind of have your short little clips, what I also like to do, if I click the bottom one and then the top one, and they'll both be highlighted then, if you click split, it will split both of those, and you want to do that so that you don't lose where your screen's at versus where you were personally speaking into the camera trying to record. So it's important to just grab both of those, split it, and then you can close the gaps and slide it over. And another thing to make note of, text. If you want to have like a banner, let's just grab this one and drop it down into place here. And I'm going to kind of shrink this up a little bit. You can double click that and it'll say, this is just a test. You can also control the font size. Let me take all of it, or actually I'll just do part of it. We'll increase the text size on some of that. So you can kind of see that it's keeping the first word smaller, the rest of it's larger, or I can just highlight it all. Testing the new software. Here is second line. And you can make those, again, different colors, different sizes. You can drag and drop everything there. But once you're done with that, you can click done. And what you'll notice, so the B-roll, what it does, again, is it imposes over top of the layer below it. And in this case, I have that quick announcement. It's going to be right over top of my video that I have. So I'm going to click play. Okay, so now what you also notice too, like let's suppose that this video that I have of me speaking, I want it to be uh, taking up the full screen. And this video that's in the background, I'm not caring about what's being shown right there. I mainly want to have the talking part be visible right now. So what we can do again is we're going to want to grab both of them by doing shift click on a PC, and then you can kind of move around here. Let's say that right here's the point where I want to have this background disappear, and I just want to be speaking to the camera, so you're focused just on me. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click split, and then let's say that we're going to do it over to here. Again, we want to make sure that we highlight both of them, and come over here. I'm going to click split. Actually, let's make it nice and short. We'll split that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the screen background, and I'm going to come up here then to the image and the scale. Let's make it 1.0, and I'm going to click fit. And then what it does is it centers that video right in the background. So let's take a look and see exactly what it's doing right now. Okay, so that was really quick. So let's try this. We'll split the bottom video. We'll get rid of that. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and split them both. So I'm going to highlight, highlight. I'm going to come over here, split. Let's get rid of the bottom. Let's double click this, make the scale 1.0, fit, done. And here, this should kind of show us a little bit better what we're doing. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video kind of gives you a quick tutorial on how to get in there and get started. Whenever you go to export the video, if you come up here and click export, you want to make sure that you select high definition for social media. Give it a title, and that's it. WeVideo is a really simple video editor that I've been absolutely loving, and I think that once you see all the different B-roll projects, recently I did a coal mine video, and as a matter of fact, that might have been the one that I was editing there in the background. If I come in here and I type in coal mine, you end up seeing that there's all kinds of different videos that just automatically you can drop down in and supersede. As a matter of fact, here, let's go ahead and show you how that one works. So if I come in here, I drop that video in. I'm going to shorten it up a little bit so you can kind of see how this works. And that's it. See, it's very simple. If you have not tried, and just so you know, I do have the full paid version of WeVideo. I'm not positive if there's differences necessarily with the free versus the paid, but I can tell you that it's absolutely worth the investment for being able to quickly be able to generate some pretty amazing and awesome videos without having a lot of technical knowledge in order to be able to do that. All right, guys, take care. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please hit the subscribe button or head over to brandonyeager.com and be sure to subscribe to the newsletter. Thanks a lot and take care.